Right now, MooDeng is dumping very hard, and the question is when will the dump stop? And I'm basically giving you out my playbook, exactly how I plan on trading it. When will I short it again? I gave you this short right here yesterday, and this potential long that we just took when the shorts closed right here, lost like 0.1%, almost nothing, so break even when we costed VWAP, and now we're going for another trade. This was the short. We managed to get some good money on the short, shorting twice at the highs. Everyone from the signals chat managed to get some good PNLs. Basically, we took profit around here on the second trade, and right now we're looking at basically a falling knife. And I'll tell you my price prediction, what I think will happen with MooDeng. Basically, I have two scenarios. We go to either of these lines and I start buying. I know there's a lot of liquidations basically below these areas right here between the lines, because a lot of weak highs, weak hands that longed the bottom and did not take profit will have their stop losses there. They had what it takes, but it just didn't take profit when we started pumping. And when they go underwater, they'll start feeling regret. They'll want an even price. So I don't think we'll get to this level that quickly. At the same time, on the daily chart, I can imagine us getting back to this level right here, because, or this level right here, and I want to add the 3 price predictions in this level right here, because at this point we'll get these stop losses for shorts plus the NEMA, which is very strong on the daily chart. So this is basically my strategy. Let me know yours in the comment section down below. Love you with all my heart. And if you go to the comment in the description down below, you see links to my signals chat and to my course. I've priced them pretty cheap. Also in the link in the description down below, I have links to my to BLOFIN. BLOFIN are giving away insane bonuses. They're giving away 30 bucks just like that, 50% spot fee discounts. So definitely do check them out. I'm personally switching from MEXC to BLOFIN. So if you want to make the switch with me, you know what to do. See you next video. Bye.